All right, so sorry, just resuming the lecture. Okay. Yes, gridlock is something which deadlock होता है misum. Okay, misum. uh, wait. Yes. So gridlock is something which happened due to the traffic jam. होता है ना कि वो एक साइड से भी आ रहे हैं, cross sections हैं, and then they is stuck to by facing each other. So that is the gridlock. Sometimes इसको हम deadlock भी कहते हैं. ठीक है, तो उसके हवाले से बात हो रही है, why does it happen and how we can overcome it. So gridlock has gripped America, threatening to transform its highways and flyways into snarled barriers to progress. ठीक है, the congestion, which is certain to grow worse in the coming decades, is hampering Americans' cherished mobility, यानी कि जो सुकून से mobility होती है, and changing the way they travel and do business. Instead of boosting, I get around, the tune they are wailing nowadays is don't get around much anymore. मतलब this is the mindset of the people that they don't want to travel outside because of that traffic problem. Consider, अब क्या है, a colorful example of how a traffic jam affected one man helps readers identify with the problem. अब वो कह रहे हैं कि इसको कंसीडर करें. द डेट्रॉइट टाइगर्स बेसबॉल टीम लॉस एन इंपॉर्टेंट एसेट लास्ट वीक व्हेन इट्स न्यूली हायर्ड आउटफील्डर फ्रैग लिन failed to qualify yes, failed to qualify for post-season play. Reason? What is the reason? He got caught in a traffic jam. Lynn was playing in Anaheim, Calif, when he accepted Detroit's offer late Wednesday afternoon. But to qualify for the playoffs under league rules, he had to join the team then in Chicago by midnight. The Tigers chartered a jet for Lynn, but rush hour congestion, यानी कि जो जैसे होता है ना, हमारे यहाँ भी rush hours होते हैं, rush hour congestion reportedly stretched his 35 minutes drive to an hour and 15 minutes. यानी कि जो 35 minutes की drive थी वो इतनी prolong हो गई, and that's why he was unable to attend that. That proved a costly delay. Lynn's plane did not reach Chicago airspace until 12:10 a.m. This is one of the example he has taken to exaggerate the impact, the effect of the problem. That one needs to identify that this is a very crucial problem which is needed to be assessed and which is needed to be overcome, right? Okay, आगे, this is the literature model. Let's suppose how you have to gather the information. Suppose you want to write about the problem of traffic congestion. Begin by gathering information from several sources to answer each questions as what is the nature and extent of the problem? What are its causes? How does the problem affect people, the environment, and the economy? Library research may help you answer these questions. So before writing down, you need to gather the different kind of information. Up how many you are in the examination hall, how you can gather the information. Obviously, you cannot gather the information from different resources because you are not accessible to the resources to the material, but you can get the ideas by searching, by just thinking in your mind, and you can jot them all in your answer sheet, okay, before writing. So this is necessary to do before writing. Okay, present solution. Now the solution, after explaining the problems and its dimensions, your next step is to present solution. Jennifer Hudgens presents a solution to the problem of traffic congestion in the paragraph below. The most practical solution to traffic congestion is to reduce traffic by encouraging people to use mass transit and carpools. What is this mass transit? Anybody knows? Public transport ना, मतलब instead of using their own cars, people should use the public transport, क्योंकि एक बंदे के पास एक गाड़ी, एक बंदे में एक गाड़ी, instead of this, if all the people, or most of the people use the mass transit, it would be easy to control the traffic. And carpools, to encourage people to use mass transit systems, companies that supply employees with company cars and pay for parking fees should instead pay for employees bus, train or subway fare. यानी कि दूसरा solution उन्होंने क्या दिया कि कंपनी जो है, जो the company people should company people should provide their employees with the parking fees and with the cars, and pay for the different kinds of vehicles. Another incentive is to restrict more freeway lanes to highway occupancy vehicles. मतलब जैसे like हमारे यहाँ एक motorways बन रहे हैं, या जैसे लियारी bypass है, so these types of things should be made to reduce the traffic congestion. Now, during morning rush hour, on Interstate 350 in Virginia, two high occupancy lanes carry about 53,000 commuters, slightly more than four regular lanes, yet in only one-fifth as many vehicles. अभी इन्होंने एग्जाम्पल दिए कि जैसे मॉर्निंग का रश आवर होता है, वहां पर जो इंटरस्टेट 350 यानी कि नाम है जो वर्जीनिया में इस लेन का, यहाँ पर ये टू हाई ऑक्यूपेंसी लेन्स हैं विच कैरी अबाउट 33,000 commuters. Commuters means vehicles. Slightly more than four regular lane, यानी कि जो चार जो मतलब लाइक स्ट्रीट्स के ऊपर ट्रैवल करे उतनी इस वर्जीनिया रोड के ऊपर ट्रैवल करते हैं, yet in only one fifth as many vehicles. ठीक है, तो this is the proposed solution. How अब what you need to do is you need to do this by the next week. ठीक है, think of a problem in a school or community such as lunchroom overcrowding or a dangerous intersection near an elementary school. Write an essay explaining the problem and proposing solutions. What is your purpose to write? To explain a problem and propose a solution. What would be your audience? Someone who might be able to solve the problem. Probably you are writing in the newspaper. Probably you are writing to the ministers of the area, or the authoritative organizations. Length 2 to 3 paragraphs. So I will be providing this slide to you today, and you have to write on it till the next week. Is it fine?
लिखना क्या होगा मिस?
लिखना क्या होगा? You need to compose an essay comprising 2 to 3 paragraphs, and it would be focusing on the illustrating the problem in total, and then the solutions. You need to propose the solution of the problem. प्रॉब्लम कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, अब प्रॉब्लम है आप किसी स्कूल को लेते हुए कह रहे हैं कि देयर इजंट एनी लंच रूम, देयर इज इन अ पर्टिकुलर कैंटीन, and you can say that there is a dangerous intersection near a school, and off timings, and on the morning timings it will be dangerous for the primary school children to cross the road, and what thing can be done to prevent this problem. So you need to present the problem first, and then you can propose a solution.
तो इतने छोटे से ऐसे के अंदर दोनों चीजें कैसे आएंगी?
है कैसे आएंगी, क्या मतलब है? 2 to 3 paragraphs are more than enough, and you can have the word limit of 200 to 250. ठीक है, you can write very well on it. ठीक है, 2 to 3 paragraphs का मतलब ये है कि 250 words तक पे भी जा सकता है, but not more than that. 200 से कम नहीं होने चाहिए, 250 से ज्यादा ना हो. ठीक है, is it fine to you people?
Okay ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
ठीक है, I am just ending up the session. ठीक है, you can have the slide, and Sadiq, please do ask me और मुझे प्लीज अभी फौरन के फौरन स्क्रीनशॉट दे दें सो दैट आई कैन मार्क योर अटेंडेंस।
ठीक है मैम।
ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू सो वेरी मच। और ये 12:15 से 21 तक पहुंच गए हैं, तो ये जो बाद में हजरात आए हैं, प्लीज बी पंक्चुअल, डू कम ऑन टाइम इंशाल्लाह इन द नेक्स्ट वीक। थैंक यू सो मच, आई एम जस्ट एंडिंग द मीटिंग। टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज।
ओके मैम, अल्लाह हाफिज।